Dental prosthetics play a crucial contribution to restoring the functionality as well as aesthetics of a smile. When a tooth gets taken out due to decay or trauma, or another reason, the dental prosthetics were created to restore missing teeth as well as make a difference to the appearance and overall look of the smile. In this short video, we'll go over how you can create realistic-looking replacement teeth with dental prosthetics. What are dental prosthetics? Prosthetic teeth are made of plastic, which are made specifically to fit an individual's mouth and are matched to their appearance to natural teeth. There are many kinds of dental prosthetics, comprising dentures, dental implant or bridges, crowns, bridges, and they are developed by dental professionals in a dental lab, with the use of advanced technology and materials for ensuring an exact shape and natural appearance. Creating natural-looking replacement teeth. The process of designing natural-looking replacement teeth with dental prosthetics starts through an examination conducted by a dental professional to identify the ideal treatment strategy that is suitable for the person. When the plan of treatment is determined, impressions of patient's mouth will be taken to form a mold, which is used to create artificial teeth. The mold for dentures is created to produce an image of wax dentures. This is taken to the dental laboratory for the fabrication. Dental technicians make use of the wax model to make the final prosthetic teeth, making sure they are in line with the dimensions, shape, and shade of the teeth that are natural to the patient. The dental prosthetics are fixed to a foundation designed to suit the mouth of the patient. Implants for dental purposes. An implant made of metal is surgically implanted in the jawbone. This is used as a replacement to the tooth's root. When the implant has fully established itself and is able to fuse with the jawbone, the crown is connected to the surface of the implant in order to complete the procedure. The crown is customized in order to mimic the appearance and color of the patient's teeth. It is a smooth and natural-looking substitute tooth. The bridge and the crown are employed to repair missing teeth as well as help restore the functionality and look of smiles. Crowns typically serve for covering teeth that are damaged or deformed, as well as bridges for replacing some or all missing teeth. The bridges and crowns are made to be customized to the appearance and color of the natural teeth. They provide a natural restoration that seamlessly blends into other teeth in the smile. Benefits of dental prosthetics. There are numerous benefits to making use of dental prosthetics to replace missing teeth. One of the most significant advantages is better aesthetics, because dental prosthetics have been designed to look like natural teeth. They create an unnatural and seamless smile. Furthermore, the prosthetics used in dentistry can enhance the functions of the teeth, which allows for greater eating and speaking capabilities. The prosthetics used in dental can assist in stopping any dental issues that may arise, including the jaw ache or shifting teeth. Through replacing missing teeth, using dental prosthetics, patients can ensure the proper alignment of their teeth and also prevent any further dental issues. Dental prosthetics, in general, can play an important role in helping to restore the functionality and appearance of the smile. When a tooth is destroyed due to decay or trauma, or another reason, dentists are able to provide an aesthetic substitute tooth that seamlessly blends into the other parts of your smile. With the help of the most advanced techniques and materials, dental professionals can make personalized prosthetics that mimic the form, size, and color of a patient's natural teeth. The result is with a stunning and natural smile. If you're in the need of dental prosthetics, ensure you speak with dentists to figure out which treatment is best that meets your particular demands.